Hi, this is the assignment number 3 for social data mining for the partial fulfillment of the course. So, this assignment is for the newsfeed sentiment analysis that the five members of the team has done. So, my team consists of myself, Aviseni, and there's a Loknath, Manpreet, Prajwal, Acharya, and Prajwal uh, who all of us has contributed to complete this assignment as well. So I'll give you the brief introduction what all we have done and what the assignment is all about. So this process consists of web scraping, HTML documentation, sentiment analysis using the packages and library that Python provides us, and loading and analyzing the external data sources like we have used and scraped two news agencies. One is New York Times, another was Al Jazeera. We have scraped their articles and did sentiment analysis on that. So yes, we did the web scraping, and I'll walk you through we did it and how we have accomplished our tasks that all mentioned and need to be done for the completion of this assignment. And for the sentiment analysis, we use uh, NLTK libraries in Python. Uh, and which news articles we did? Yes, New York Times and Al Jazeera. These two we have chosen, and every news article is present and scraped from these two websites. So, uh, first of all, I'll show you how we did it. So, this is the whole Python code where we use these packages and import these libraries and take stop. We use stop words like you can say uh, which are, and the conjunctions and all, which doesn't need to be have any sentiment in that. So this is the get URL where we scrape the data, and these are the number of articles we have used in Al Jazeera using that, and after that we have done this sentiment analysis on that uh, using the and showing that on a percentage basis, and and we have given these polarities to those things like weak, neutral, and positive or negative. And using the how we do sentiment analysis we can do it by two ways using uh, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. This is we have done with unsupervised learning using Vader and test block. So these are the results that we have shown. This is negative, positive, and weak and neutral. And this is done by the test blob using test blob where we have given polarity negative. You can say here are the results for Al Jazeera weak negative, neutral, weak positive, negative, strong positive, strong negative. And here's the word cloud generated that I have also shown in my presentation. Uh, these are the results. The number of articles for Al Jazeera is here. Number of articles and the word count generated here. And next, I'm gonna show you how I generated for the New York Times. So we have, and simultaneously, it is the look and feel of the web application that we have generated. We have created, and here I will show you using that link how we have done one time. It will take some time to feature the results. Here we go. So in New York Times we have scraping 57 articles, and in those 57 articles we are running. Here you can see we are running the sentiment analysis on that, and using that we have generated some results on it. So here we have neutral and negative 24%, around 24, positive 37.5%, and here we have uh, using test blob we have generated these results among these categories, and here's the word cloud generated from it from the recent art 57 articles. So this is the sentiment analysis we guys have done for the fulfillment of the course. So here you can see for the New York Times 57, 58 articles. Sorry, this time 57 articles is uh, completed as updates, and the number of articles sometimes increase, sometimes decreases. And this is the word cloud generated this time. And here's the look and feel of the graph. So that's it for the presentation and the work we have done. Thank you.